Hello friend, my name is Rakesh Gupta and this is my fourth video on HTML. In the previous video, we show you some basic of HTML like heading, paragraph and style on HTML. But if you are the first visitor on this series of video, please watch the previous topic so that it could be easy to understand. So today we discuss on the following topics. So today topic is first HTML text formatting, then HTML comments. So first, what is HTML text formatting? Basically, HTML text formatting are used in HTML for text design. टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग हम लोग इसलिए यूज करते हैं कोई भी पैराग्राफ या कुछ भी सेंटेंस को हम लोग डिजाइनिंग कर सके. ठीक है, इट डिजाइन द टेक्स्ट टू डिस्प्ले द स्पेशल टाइप ऑन वेब पेजेस. क्या करता है ये डिजाइन करता है टेक्स्ट को टू डिस्प्ले स्पेशल टाइप ऑन वेब पेज. सम बेसिक टाइप ऑफ टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग आर सच लाइक फर्स्ट B bold text, a strong important text, I for italic text, E for emphasized text, mark for marked text, small for a smaller text, then del for deleted text, I ins for inserted text, sub for subscript text and sub for superscript text. So let us see some basic example of text formatting. So open editor. Here we are using some basic structure of HTML in which I have used heading tag and paragraph tag. So now I am taking some basic example of text formatting. So I am using here first B tag and close this B tag. Now see the output of this tag. So open the minimize this and open this. Here this is the output where we have used bold tag in heading tag. So it is not clear in here, but because heading tag is also in bold, so we use in paragraph. So here we are using bold tag, then close this bold tag and save the file and refresh this. This is the output of paragraph in which we have using bold tag. Now we take another example. So I have using another paragraph. So I am copying this tag, and we take another paragraph. So first B. Now using control paste and close this paragraph. Now I am using a strong tag. What is basically a strong tag uses on text? So a strong tag and close this strong tag and strong. Now see the output. So refresh this page. Here basically a strong tag and bold tag are used in same HTML because both are used in bold tag. But a strong element define text with a strong important and bold tag are used in bold tags. Basically both are used in text for bold. Now I am using another tag, that is I am using in this tag also I am using I and close this and save and see the output. Here text formatter should be in italic form, so I tag used for italic that text. Now I am using another text. I am using here emphasized text. Here emphasized is also used for italic conversion. Now this is also in italic version. Now we are using some another text, that is a subscript or superscript. So here I am using subscript. Now refresh this page. Here subscript is mainly used that text appears should be half of the character and below the character, such like and also now we are using superscript on HTML. It can display the text upper of the text. Sub. Here HTML should be mainly subscript is used in HTML tag that half of the character below the HTML line or text, and another way on superscript it's appear on the upper of the normal line of text. So now we'll take another so now we go to another topic, that is HTML comments. So what is comments in HTML? Basically comments are used in program that can help the document और your HTML source code. बेसिकली हम लोग कमांड यूज़ करते हैं, कमेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं इन ए प्रोग्राम टू डिस्क्राइब द प्रोग्रामिंग स्ट्रक्चर और इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन बाय द प्रोग्रामर टू अननोन प्रोग्रामर विच आर टेकन, और फॉर अनदर टाइप इट कैन हेल्प फॉर मेंटेनिंग द सोर्स कोड और एनी एरर डिबग इन द प्रोग्राम. So basically comments are very useful in the programming. Syntax of comments is this. Here exclamation is very important. Here a starting tag exclamation needed and in our tag exclamation is not needed. So now we take comments in the program. Here we are using comments. This is my paragraph. Start. And also one most important use of comments, it is not displayed on web pages. So now we can see on here HTML comments is not shown, but in we go a page source, here comments is highlighted on the source code. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment my